Hello guys, I'm not really comparing two of these cameras. You can see the Robo S1 is on the top and you can see the Osmo Action is on the bottom. But both of these cameras are shooting 1080p and you can see the Robomaster S1, the video is a little bit skippy. I don't know if it's recording it from Wi-Fi, but to be honest with you, both of this camera I got it to the SD card directly, and still giving me skippy video footage. Maybe a software update need to be help this situation. And I also want to show it to you guys that the Robo S1 camera is not bad. It's pretty nice, but you cannot really change anything. Like, it's not like a JPEG, or you can change the footage, or you can make it brighter, change the ISO, and it would be good. And to be honest with you, yes, it's kind of like you can see over here the shaky. The video quality is pretty good. It just it's not bad, comparing it to other action camera. The camera is pretty good, but I think it would be better if DJI threw a firmware update to stabilize the footage a little bit, kind of like how the Tello came out and the video was really shaky and DJI did a firmware update, and then after that it become steady footage. Anyway, I'm just showing you guys here. This is in the low light and you can see the Osmo Action. And the reason why I take this video here, because you can see in both ways. You can see in low light, and you can also see from the roof with the lighting going on, and you can see the video quality. But like I said, it'd be awesome if DJI did that. But anyway, this is not a comparison, okay? A $350 camera and comparing it to a DJI Osmo Action. I'm sorry, Robomaster with the gun supposedly. But you know what's really funny part about this is the fact that when I took the gun off with the speaker off, it seems like the camera on the Robomaster has a microphone, because right now you can hear it here. I didn't really care too much on the sound because it's gonna be riding on the concrete and it's gonna be rattling, and you can hear it. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys here that's exactly what this two camera can do. And I think, yeah, if DJI did a firmware update, it's gonna be good, man. They add some optional that you can change the ISO or make it a little bit better. It'd be nice too. But to be honest with you guys, to me, I want something that follows me, and not only I can use it for just shooting. I want to use it to take my adventure. I want to take my story with wherever I go, and I think this is the only rover or the Robomaster that can do it right now in 2019. And of course, gonna be a lot of company out there focusing on making a stabilized RC that actually follow you, that don't hit you. And you can see here, this thing's smart. It can follow you going up and follow you going down. And you don't even need obstacle avoidance, because the camera on the Osmo Action, on the Osmo Robomaster S1 have like a motion detection that actually avoids obstacles. Like, in case if something going on, it'll actually stop it. It's processing, is stuck to the But anyway, I don't want too geeky. I just want to tell you guys what I think of this Robomaster. Like, this video is not really comparison. I'm just showing you guys what you get if you do get the Robo S1. If you take out the camera, you can just probably take up the gun, and then you can put like some weight to it. As long as you maintain the weight of the gimbal, if you got the weight of the gun, I think you can use the camera, man. I think it's still good. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm just giving you guys my thought on these two cameras, and of course the Robomaster and any other mods that we can do to it. Again, thank you.